sometimes we only need to give a little bit of TLC to our clothes, and don't worry, I am going to share with you a few tips on how you can do this a little bit further in the video. But I want to say that these can make all the difference in your outfits and how clothes actually fit you. But I think you already know this. So first, let me talk about something that I find it's even more important than this. You see, it's very easy to feel stuck in a world where we are constantly presented new trends every time a new collection drops. But that doesn't mean you need to buy everything. I really wanted to give you a game plan, something that you can follow step by step, so you can refresh the way you feel about your clothes. Sometimes it's not that our clothes have a problem, but that our mindset is in the wrong place. So pay attention, take notes if you need to, and please don't underestimate how simple this is, because it's really something powerful. So first, you want to go through all of your clothes and you want to get rid of everything that is broken, that doesn't fit you, and in other words, you want to depurate your closet. You want to do a full cleanup, get rid of things that you don't really wear, put them away if you don't want to, get rid of them, whatever you need to do, but we want to refresh how we feel about our closet. So this is really simple. You already know how to do this, but this is going to be our first step. Once you have done that, you want to clean your space and reorganize it. This could look in terms of folding everything again so it's really tidy and really nicely organized, or changing where you keep your things. So if you used to put your shirts here, then move them to a different space. This is really simple, you guys, but it's honestly super powerful. It's like your brain thinks that you have new clothes. Trust me, try this before you go ahead and buy new things. And the third step on this game plan is that you're going to put aside everything that needs to be fixed, everything that needs to be de-bobbled, everything that needs to be ironed. And yes, you have to do it. I know this is such a procrastinatable task. We all hate it, we all put it off, but the thing is that we put it off so much that it becomes a big ball of this feeling against your own clothes. And sometimes that is what you have, this accumulated feeling that your clothes don't look good and having nothing to wear, that you don't like anything that is in your closet. And just ironing a shirt and putting it on can make all the difference, not only in how it looks, but in how it fits in your body, in your color. Everything will change, but it will make you feel so good when you take something out of your closet and it's pretty much ready to wear. This honestly is going to make you look so much better, and it's going to make you feel so much better about your clothes. So that's the game plan there. 3 steps. Very easy, very simple. You already know how to do all of them. You just need to take action. Now, another tip on how to make your clothes look better is understanding your body and your personal style. Before you go out shopping for more clothes, understanding your body will help you understand what is the fit that makes you feel more comfortable, more confident. Because not all black trousers are made the same, and not all blazers are made the same. It's all about the fit. And the fit of your clothes has a lot to do on how your clothes look on your bone structure, on your body, or the outfit that you're trying to create or recreate. It will also help you play with proportions, which is such a quick and easy way to style great outfits. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then please leave me in the comments the word proportions, and I will make sure to make a video about that. Let's go back to the fact that clothes need to be taken care of. If you want the clothes that you bought to stay looking nice and pretty and beautiful for months or even years, then spend a little time taking care of them. Wash them properly. Learn how you can read a tag. Is really simple, it's really easy, and just follow the instructions. If you find that you have a lot of fabrics that take a lot of time and a lot of effort to wash and to dry and you're not willing to do that, then you need to stop buying those fabrics and maybe focus on getting clothes that are more easygoing. This is super easy, but a lot of times we get lazy and we just throw everything in the washing machine. And even more important than washing your clothes correctly is to dry them properly. This is a step where you can destroy your clothes. And yes, it might take a little bit longer than just throwing them in the dryer, but your clothes are going to last you so much longer. I don't know if you want to hear this, but maybe you need to clean your shoes. You will feel so much better about them when you see that they're not that old, they're just dirty. I am very guilty of this. Cleaning shoes is not something that I love, but it is true. Also, de-bobble your knits. You can make a sweater look brand new after a de-bobble session. I am always so impressed about how an item changes that it has kind of become my hobby. I find it very, very therapeutic. And I even got this huge de-bobbler that I got on Amazon. I will link it down below. That lets me kind of speed up the process in a way. It's a lot faster and it's really easy to use. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a quick task, but it's so much easier with something like this. Another thing that you can fix in the way that you create your outfits or the way that you're styling your outfits or your clothes is that you need to take time to style and put together an outfit. It is very rare that an item is going to look perfect and expensive just by pulling it out of your closet and putting it on. Especially if you're traveling and your clothes have been in a suitcase or if it's something that you haven't worn in a long time. So iron your clothes before you put them on. It makes a world of a difference when you put a shirt or when you put something on that it's freshly ironed. Even if this is something that you don't necessarily like to do, I promise you will look so much better and you will feel so much better about how clothes fit you and how clothes look on you if your clothes are wrinkle free. And also play with the way that you style your outfits. Tweak things, play around. It's okay if you change a few times an item or your entire outfit a few times, or if you don't know exactly right from the start what you want to wear. Just play around and give yourself that time, you know, like sensible time to get ready and style your outfit. It doesn't mean that you have to be there for 3 hours, but maybe a little bit more than 5 minutes would be good. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new. I hope some of these little tips helped you to feel better about your closet. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!